Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Exercise 2.3. Question number 1. We have to differentiate x to power 4 plus 2x cube plus x square. So let's start. Let's take y equals to x to power 4 plus 2x cube plus x square. We differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So on this side we are having we have a sum of three functions. So we are going to apply the sum theorem or the sum rule. That is that we will take the derivative of this plus the derivative of this plus the derivative of this. Now here you can see we have to take the derivative of 2 into x cubed. So 2 is a constant. So we will take 2 here and we just take the derivative of x cubed. Here it is. We have to take the derivative of d by d. We have to take d by dx of x4 plus 2 into d by dx of x cube into d by dx of x square. And we are going to take all these derivatives with the help of power formula, which is derivative of x to power n is equal to nx n minus 1. So derivative of x to power 4 will become 4 x to power 4 minus 1, that is 4x cube. 2 will remain as it is. Derivative of x cube will become 3 into x to power 3 minus 1, that is x square. And then d by df of dx of x square will become 2 into x to power 2 minus 1, that is 1. So here are these. D by dx of x to power 4 is 4x cube. 2 into d by dx of x cube is 3x square plus d by dx of x square is 2x. And finally you get the answer. Derivative of the given function is equal to 4x cube plus 6x square plus 2x. Question number 2. We have to take the derivative of x to power minus 3 plus 2 x to power minus 3 by 2 plus 3. So again we take it equal to y. Differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So we put a d by dx here and we put a bracket here and we put a d by dx here. And now we are going to take the derivative of this plus 2 into derivative of x to power minus 3 by 2 plus derivative of 3. Here it is, d by dx of x to power minus 3 plus 2 outside, and then d by dx of x to power minus 3 by 2 and d by dx of x to power 3 or d by dx of 3. So what is the final result? We are going to apply the power formula to take its derivative and it will become minus 3 x to power minus 3 minus 1, then it will become minus 4. Derivative of x to power minus 3 by 2 will become minus 3 by 2 into x to power minus 3 by 2 minus 1, and 3 is a constant, so its derivative will become 0. Here you can see it. We have applied the power formula minus 3 x to power minus 3 minus 1 plus 2 is a constant, it remains as it is, minus 3 by 2 x to power minus 3 by 2 minus 1 and plus derivative of 3, which is 0. So what is the final result? Minus 3 minus 1 becomes minus 4. 2 and this 2 got cancelled. We get minus 3 and x to power minus 3 by 2 minus 1. You can take the LCM and simplify it and you will get the result minus 5 by 2. Question number 3. Derivative. Question number 3. We have to take the derivative of a plus x by a minus x. So let's take it equal to y and differentiate both sides with respect to x. So we put a d by dx on both sides, and now on this side we have to use the quotient rule. So what is quotient rule? A minus x whole square in the denominator, a minus x constant d by dx of a plus x minus a plus x constant d by dx of a minus x. Now a is a constant. When we take its derivative, the answer will be 0. The derivative of x is 1. The derivative of a will be 0 and the derivative of x will be 1. So here we will have 0 plus 1 and here we will have 0 minus 1. Here it is. Now 0 plus 1 becomes 1, 0 minus 1 becomes minus 1, and we get this result. Now open up these brackets. This will become a minus x and this minus and this minus will cancel each other and we will have a plus x. So we get a minus x plus a plus x. X got cancelled and we have the answer 2a divided by a minus x whole square. Question number 4. We have to take the derivative of 2x minus 3 divided by 2x plus 1. Let's take y equals to 2x minus 3 by 2x plus 1. We have to differentiate both sides with respect to x. So we put d by dx on both sides. Now on this side we are going to apply the quotient rule, which is 2x plus 1, that is denominator square here. Then denominator constant, derivative of numerator minus numerator constant, derivative of denominator. And what will be the derivative of 2x minus 3? The derivative of 2x will be 2 is constant, derivative of x is 1, minus derivative of 3 becomes 0. And here 2 is constant, derivative of x is 1, and derivative as 1 is constant, so derivative of 1 will be 0. So you will get a 2 minus 0 here and a 2 plus 0 here. This remains as it is and this remains as it is. 2 minus 0 is 2 and 2 plus 0 is 2. Now we open up these brackets. We get 2x plus 1 into 2 minus 2x minus 3 into 2. Open up the brackets and you get 4x plus 2 minus 4x minus 4x and minus plus 6. So 4x got cancelled and we have 8 divided by 2x plus 1 whole square.